Have you ever wondered who keeps the wheels turning safely in our complex transportation systems? It's the often unseen transportation safety manager, a role as crucial as it is demanding. In this exploration, we'll delve into the multifaceted world of this profession, uncovering its challenges, rewards, and the impact it has on our everyday lives. From understanding their crucial responsibilities to the skills needed to excel, we'll navigate the ins and outs of this vital role. Get ready to discover the intriguing world of transportation safety, where vigilance and expertise ensure that people and goods reach their destinations securely. We'll examine the tools they use, the teams they collaborate with, and the ever present challenges they overcome. Furthermore, we'll shed light on the career path and the potential it holds for those passionate about safety. Join us as we shift gears and accelerate into the heart of the transportation safety manager's world, uncovering the intricate details that make this profession both challenging and rewarding. Through real life examples and insights, we'll gain a deeper understanding of the dedication and expertise required to keep our transportation systems running smoothly. This journey promises to be enlightening for anyone curious about the hidden heroes of safe transportation. The transportation safety manager is a conductor of safety, orchestrating the movement of goods and people while minimizing risks. They are the guardians of compliance, ensuring adherence to a labyrinth of regulations and standards. Their daily symphony involves conducting meticulous risk assessments, identifying potential hazards before they escalate into accidents. Imagine a bustling shipping yard. A transportation safety manager, clipboard in hand, meticulously inspects a fleet of trucks. They are checking for proper maintenance, ensuring each vehicle meets stringent safety standards. This meticulousness extends beyond vehicles. They meticulously craft and implement safety programs, training staff to respond effectively to emergencies and navigate hazardous materials. Their responsibilities reach far beyond the present. They analyze past incidents, dissecting data to understand root causes and prevent future occurrences. They are detectives of safety, constantly searching for patterns and anomalies that could compromise the well-being of personnel and the public. They are also the architects of safer infrastructures, working to improve transportation networks, from roads and railways to shipping lanes and air traffic control. Stepping into the shoes of a transportation safety manager requires a unique blend of hard and soft skills, honed through experience and a passion for safety. A deep understanding of transportation regulations, from DOT to OSHA standards, is paramount. This expertise forms the bedrock upon which they build a culture of compliance. Analytical prowess is another crucial tool in their arsenal. They must be able to interpret data, identify trends, and predict potential risks. This analytical mindset is crucial for developing effective safety protocols and making informed decisions that mitigate potential hazards. Communication skills are equally vital. The ability to convey complex information clearly and concisely to diverse audiences, from drivers and pilots to warehouse workers and executives, is essential for fostering a shared commitment to safety. Leadership qualities are also paramount. Transportation. Safety managers are not just rule enforcers, they are leaders who inspire and motivate their teams to embrace safety as a core value. Section 4. The support crew, team, tools, and collaboration. Transportation safety managers are not solitary figures toiling in isolation. They are integral parts of intricate teams, collaborating with professionals from various departments to ensure seamless and secure operations. They work closely with logistics coordinators, drivers, pilots, maintenance crews, and other stakeholders to weave a tight-knit safety net. Their tools of the trade are as diverse as the transportation systems they oversee. Sophisticated software programs help them track vehicles, monitor driver behavior, and analyze vast data sets to identify potential risks. They utilize cutting-edge technologies like GPS tracking, telematics, and predictive analytics to stay ahead of potential hazards. Collaboration extends beyond their immediate teams. They engage with regulatory bodies, industry experts, and other safety professionals to stay abreast of the latest safety practices and emerging trends. This constant communication ensures that their knowledge remains current and their strategies align with best practices. Section 5. Roadblocks and detours, challenges on the safety route. While the role of a transportation safety manager is deeply rewarding, it's not without its share of challenges. The transportation industry is a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape, with new technologies, regulations, and risks emerging constantly. Staying ahead of these changes requires continuous learning and adaptability. One of the most significant hurdles is balancing safety with operational efficiency. While safety remains paramount, transportation safety managers must also consider factors like delivery deadlines, fuel costs, and customer satisfaction. Finding innovative solutions that optimize both safety and efficiency is a constant juggling act. Another challenge stems from the human element inherent in transportation. Despite rigorous training and safety protocols, human error remains a factor. Addressing risky behaviors, promoting a positive safety culture, and fostering open communication are ongoing endeavors for transportation safety managers.